The Bankai all you captains have. Are all of them that powerful?
I think so. I mean, the Bankai is our ace in the hole, so all of them are pretty damn powerful.
I see. Then how does yours stack up? For example, between the Bankai of that ice guy over there and yours, which is stronger?
Kinda hard to say. You see, Captain Hitsugaya is what you'd call a prodigy. If I had to guess, I'd say he'll surpass my strength in about 100 years.
Interesting. So that means at this moment, you're still stronger than him.
Bankai. Katen Kyoukotsu. Karamatsu Shinju. Dan. Uma. Dan. Go. Ron. 僕を誰だと思ってんの？固定13体総隊長。強楽春水だよ。Dan. Uma. Dan. Go.